I'm leaving turds on the porch. Well, I guess I didn't shovel yet. Fair enough. Winter Wonderland. Mama! Oh my gosh. So, I don't know how long. Whoa. Stretching in the snow. Alright, well, this is probably going to be a really quick one. Because I think we got some pups that are not used to the snow and they're getting theirs impacted. Come on, best you can, buddy. Alright. Oh, look at that. Another one over there. Boy, this fluffy snow really does a number on these poor guys. You okay, buddy? Come on, best you can. Let's get going. Let's get back inside. Oh my. Well, this is horrible. I'm thinking I'm going to show dogs a bunch of fun time in the snow. Mama's loving it. You like the snow? I'm shivering. It's -10 here. We got like 8 inches of snow. Best you can, boys. Look at this. Poor guys. Sorry. Oh, jeez. His tail's still up and wagging. He's just new sensation. Go, come on. Best we can. Oof. Cold. Oh, this one though, no problems. I think this is where it's unlocked. Whew. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't have fun in the snow, but I sure do appreciate that they can poop in the snow. I don't know if I could do that. Ooh. You okay, buddy? All right. You get treats are coming out. Participation treat. I can barely hold it. Oh, let me get the ones you like. You look cute with that snow. Bruce. All right. Well, let's get everyone in. Oh, jeez, it's cold. In you go. Push it in. There you go. Push it in. There you go. You too, boss. Oh, you want a treat. Brucey. Bruce. All right. Well, Bruce. Jeez. Brucey. Brucey. Hey. Come on. I don't think it's open. Oh, it's open. Oh. Oh.